Hello guys, here is how to create and customize a blog menu. Click the link in description to get the free plan of System.io. First go to the blogs tab in your dashboard, select your blog and click blog layout. Here is where you will define the navigation accessible across all pages. In the layout editor, click on the menu element to reveal all its configuration options. To add a new menu list, click add menu item. You will enter the menu title like home about. Then choose the link type, either a blog link or a custom URL. If you select blog link, choose one of your existing blog pages or post from the drop-down. For an external link, select custom URL and paste your link. It is optional. Enable open in a new window if needed. You can rename, reorder, or delete any menu item from this list. Removing it here removes it from your site menu as well. Once your menu items are set, click save or publish, then preview your blog. You will see the updated menu across all pages and posts. And that's how you build your blog menu. If you want System.io free plan, the link is in the description. And if you have any doubts, please leave a comment. Thank you guys for watching.